Welcome to another video of Shakima at home, and today I'm going to show you guys how I make my simple and easy shrimp pasta. So as you can see right here on the table, I have my shrimp, I have some salt for the pasta water, I have some spaghetti, I have some Parmesan cheese, some heavy cream, complete season, all-purpose season, some fresh garlic, some white onion, and as you can see there, I'm chopping up some fresh parsley. This dish is so simple and easy. So right here, as you can see, I have a pot of boiling water with some salt in it already. You know you have to salt that water because you want the spaghetti to cook, and you can taste that seasoning inside it. And then on the back stove over there, I have some avocado and coconut oil in a pot heating. As you can see, my water started to boil, so I add my spaghetti to the pot. And on the back of the stove, I had my onion, my white onion, and my garlic because I'm going to saute them. So I want this dish to be quick and easy, so I have the two stoves at the same time running. So meanwhile my pasta boiling, my veggies sauteing for my shrimp. And yes, so by the time the pasta to finish to cook, the shrimp sauce will be ready to just add it to the pot. I'm not going to strain it today. I'm just going to take the pasta from the pot to add it to my mixture, my sauce. So as you can see, I'm sauteing the veggie, the onion, the garlic. I'm spinning up my pasta at the same time, my spaghetti at the same time in the pot for it to go down and cook perfectly, al dente. Now I'm just going to add my shrimp to the pot. I already peeled them, devein them, wash them, so I'm just adding them to the pot. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of complete season to the shrimp. I'm seasoning it up now. Some all-purpose season, at the same time a tablespoon, or you season to your likes. If you have garlic powder, you can add garlic powder too. I'm going to add a little bit of cayenne pepper because I like when I eat in certain food, I can get like a kick, a hint of something, like you have to be stretching your head to wonder what is inside the dish because you get that So as you can see, I'm just mixing up everything together, sauteing everything together, the shrimp and the veggie. And you see it reached to what I want, because shrimp doesn't take that long to cook, because you don't want to overcook the shrimp for it to get hard, because you're still going to cook the shrimp in the cream. So now I'm pouring my heavy cream to the pot, give it some flavor. Everything go good with heavy cream and garlic and onion and shrimp, and you see, I'm adding a little bit more. It depends on how much pasta you're going to add to your pot. You have to put the same amount of cream. So now it starts to boil, so I'm adding some Parmesan cheese to it, some grated Parmesan cheese, and this is going to give the dish more flavor, more deliciousness, and it's going to thicken the sauce at the same time. You should have smell vision or taste vision to smell this delicious sauce. You can also add to glaze the pot when you put all your veggie and your shrimp in it, some white wine. So as you can see right here, I'm just I'm tasting to see if it have enough, you know, salt, if it have enough flavors inside it. So now what I'm going to do, my pasta is finished to boil, so I'm just draining it with a tang and I'm adding it to my delicious shrimp cream sauce. Yes, just like that. Look at those spaghetti, guys. Look at that inside that sauce. You know, this is a time when you say, Jesus, take the wheel, take it from your hands, because you don't want to eat all of this pasta and feel guilty. No, you don't have to feel guilty. This is once in a blue moon, or once a week or year you would eat this deliciousness. So I'm tossing everything together, tossing it together so you can get all the flavor in that spaghetti, you know. Yeah, now I'm going to add a little bit more complete season because I taste it again and I see it need a little bit more, so I'm just adding a little bit more to the spaghetti, to the sauce. Yes, just like that. Look at that, guys. Look at that deliciousness. You wish you was here, right? So I'm just going to get myself a bowl now, because as you can see, it's finished and I'm ready to plate up it. So I get my plate, I turn off my heat, I get my tang, and I start to put that inside the dish. And meanwhile I'm putting it inside it, my mouth draining because I cannot wait for this dish to finish. Who say food is not a good mood? They're lying. Food is really a good mood, especially when it's comfort food. And you see, I'm just placing my shrimp on top so you guys can really see it's a shrimp pasta. You know, give it some decoration. Add yourself some more Parmesan cheese as much as you want. Add yourself some more. Then get your fresh parsley and sprinkle that all on top of your dish. Look how beautiful is that. Look at that, guys. Yeah, that's how we roll at Shakema at home. Remember to like, to share, to tell a friend, to hit that notification bell, to put God first in everything you do. And remember, God is love.